Today we're going to be taking a look at the Heath 2718 tri-power supply. It's a tri-power supply, which means it has a total of 3 outputs. Of these outputs, one of them is fixed at 5 volts and can supply up to 1.5 amps. The other 2 are adjustable from 0 volts to 20 volts and can supply up to 1/2 amp. Now, let's take a look at some of the other functionality that's built into this. We have the meter, which allows us to select which of the power supplies this display will measure. Let's take a look at how we can measure the 5-volt constant power supply to verify that it's working. So first we power the unit on. As you can see, this knob is already set to the 5 volts output. This means that when we look at this display, we're actually seeing what is being output by these 2. So, this isn't any good, but so we can also look at the number of amps by adjusting it to be down here. Now let's verify that it is actually outputting 5 volts by using this Fluke 874 digital multimeter. All we have to do is insert the probes into these 2 outputs. And as you can see, we have 4.9900 volts being output. Now our range, as it is right now, is set to automatic. This means that it will automatically choose the best range for the voltage that is being hooked up to the multimeter. However, we can adjust the range that it's displaying manually by hitting the range button. As you can see, as we change the range, we lose quite a bit of precision. However, it is now able to measure much higher voltages. And that, I guess I should say something concluding. That concludes our video on how to use the Heath 2718 tri-power supply.